Rocks up, walk and Stagano. Rocks up, rocks up, rocks up, walk and Stagano. 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass, drunken dance.
To a dancer. Rum turn me to a dancer. With the rum talking, I answer. It talking, I answer. Rum turn me to a dancer. Let we go.
A Clive Rum.
Oh
Clive
my
is a
goodness,
dancer.
welcome back to Daytime Live. DJ Russian is just heating up the place, man, I sweat. So fresh off the release of her new single, Island, recording artist Sharon Marley joins us. She's in the clubhouse today to talk about the inspiration behind the track, what she's been working on, and what fans can actually expect from her as to what's coming up next. Welcome to Daytime Live, Shar.
I love how you come in with nice energy and everything, like a real island girl.
I am a real island girl.
Inspired by your islandness.
Inspired always. My islandness comes first. You know, you can't get the girl out of the island, even though the girl is out of the island.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes. Love it. So what was the inspiration behind the track?
Well, I don't want to be corny, but the hurricane Melissa came and really did a number on my island. You know, a certain part of the island anyway. And it just pains me that that happened, that a lot of people were left homeless and displaced, you know? And what could I do at the time? I mean, I packed a couple barrels and sent down. But I wanted to do something more, to reach out by way of the airwaves, you know? So that's really what inspired this song, Island. And hopefully, any money I make, even if it's $50, that's made from this track will go towards those people down there in Westmoreland, trying to find roofs to put over their heads, especially for parents with children, you know, and the elderly. Yeah, I feel a lot for that age group, you know. People my age can go on struggle, but for the elderly and the very, very young, it's hard.
Yeah.
It's very hard, you know, so that's really the aim of this track.
And with this song too, you're stepping into new territory because the accompanying visuals, you didn't even put self into this one. You say, you know what, let's let AI do the talking.
Let me tell you, this is my first time even learning about AI. What is AI? You know, my marketing person said, do you want to try and do a visualizer with AI? And I was like, does that mean that's going to be me? She's like, no, just somebody that look like you, and the best thing is you don't even have to leave your house. I was like, what? Let's do it, you know, because being on set is an all-day thing. So this was the easiest video that I've made in all my years of doing music videos, because I didn't have to be there. Even though they came back to me and they showed me, what you think about this, I make this change, make that change, and do that, but I could just sit in bed and do it, you know? And I like that about AI, so people have to be responsible how they use AI, you know?
What are so this is the video that we're seeing
looking
on
at?
the screen now.
This is the island video.
And this is AI?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. We want to know what them use. Oh, wow.
The guy's name is Jay Slay Art. He's on Instagram. You should go check him out.
Wow.
He just got a big contract too.
What are some of the changes you made initially?
Well, as women, we have to make sure whoever is representing you look not like way out. Like, I'm not going to wear those shoes, like, you know. But him still put on a slippers on me on the stage, and I'm like, okay, let that pass. Because the important thing for me at this time was for people to get the message of the song, feel the love from looking at some of the nice things that can go on in the island.
Yes, and that the likeness of you was true to form.
And that's supposed to be my sister Sedella. Then Erica also is on the track, and that's supposed to be me.
You look like you. It does.
But and the great thing is the girls came back together because, you know, we sang with Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers for over 20 odd years. So they came back together with me to do this track, and I felt very special, very, very special for that to happen.
Well, you're normally considered the introvert.
I am. Can you imagine?
Yes. Yeah,
can you imagine?
So how you balance that, knowing that you're the introvert, but your name and what it is that the family stands for, it means that you have to be extroverted as well.
Let me tell you something. The first time I went on stage, I was about 16. And everybody else younger than me, right? Because then Sedella might have been 13, Ziggy might have been 12, and Steve might have been 10. And they're on the stage, and I am side stage, bawling my eyes. I'm like, no, I don't want to go. This was at UA. They had a little theater, I think, there at the university, a little clubhouse type of thing. I cried. Aww. I was literally scared out of my wits. Wow. And Diane Jobson came to me and said, no, man, you can't do it. What you crying for? So when we finally reached on stage, could you stop me? You know? Yeah. So yeah, the introvert is there, but also when I need to work, I work.
You work.
Right. Work, you know?
Yes. As you mentioned your brother, he just released a song, Mourn for Bob.
I have a lot of brothers, you know.
Yeah, Ziggy.
Right.
and them don't stop release music.
Yeah,
that is true.
Yeah, that is so true.
That's right.
Many Mourn for Bob. Have you had a chance to listen to that one?
Of course.
Yeah, man.
Of course. I mean, it's there. And you know what's good about this is that Ziggy's finally releasing that. That he's held for 40 odd years, you know. It's very good that he's showing his emotional side now, and of course we all gonna cry when we hear it, but I'm happy that he's in touch with that now and finally ready to, because sometimes we have to be protective, you know, of ourselves and what people ask us and what we tell people and still share but still maintain our privacy at the same time. So to hear him expressing that, you know, I think that's a milestone for him, and I'm very proud of him. And I love the track. I cry when I hear it. And even Redemption song, I can't listen to Redemption song.
All these years later still.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
It's beautiful how seeing and experiencing someone's healing can also help you to heal as well. And
of course.
That brings me into now Tough Gang Studios. I get remodeled and nice. Oh, so you've seen it?
I haven't been there yet, but I've seen it on the internet.
Yes.
So I haven't been there yet, but it looked furnished.
Yes.
It looked furnished. I'm gonna be there this weekend.
Awesome.
Rehearsing. I have a little set doing at, is it Kingston Market?
Awesome.
On Tuesday, so I'm gonna get to see it, but I know if Bob was here, he would just be like blown away. By this time, we'll be like, you know what, you sit down, we will.
Right.
You know, because that's what my kids are saying to me, Mommy, you just be the artist, we'll take care of
Sharon.
all of this.
Well, know that we're proud of you.
Thank
and
you.
Thank you so much for coming here. I wish you all the best with the track, because as you promised, proceeds and sales are going to those who have been affected by Hurricane Melissa.
Our people.
Our island.
Our island.
Recording artist Sharon Marley. Yeah.
More excitement. I like how she dancing over there.
You can
more
stay.
after this break. All right, Island Girl.
Yeah, go on, Sharon.
I love chilling on the island. We love swimming on the island. Only you there with me on the island. Full of meditation. I love chilling on the island. Mixed wine sipping on the island.